Like clockwork, school starts and the coughs, congestion, the mystery mucus, it all comes home with them. I would find myself spending hundreds of dollars at the pharmacy until I found this stuff. Why not natural Mullen drops? It's just a dropper into water or straight if you don't mind the taste. It is natural lung support that actually helps clear out the mucus, ease coughs, and support breathing. My whole house takes this and we don't get hit nearly as hard anymore. If you're not stocking up before those back to school germs hit, do not say I didn't warn you. If the orange shopping cart's there, it hasn't sold out yet, so grab it before it does. Do not go through another school year without it.